Have you ever imagined what would happen if we combine the world of mechanical engineering with the power of AI? When OpenAI released ChatGPT, I started asking myself this question. As a software developer and mechanical engineer, I've been really excited to experiment with large language model like ChatGPT to see how it can manage, for example, engineering tasks. Imagine having your own designer assistant that helps you develop new technologies and machines. A tool that, for example, automates the process of creating CAD models and prototypes, CAD drawings and documentation, or performing simulations like a stress analysis. And all of this powered by limitless potential of artificial intelligence. So far in this concept, I use a combination of popular web technologies and libraries for CAD functionalities, and created a mechanical designer assistant. The assistant will answer your technical questions, but not only that. You can request to create a CAD 3D model for you, for example, just by describing the shape. In this case, I ask for a model shaped like a simple hammer. You can also give more specific details about dimensions and features. And the best part is, you don't need to be familiar with any CAD software. But wait, there's more! You can also request the assistant to perform a stress analysis. In our case, we asked it to choose a load and material properties. But I'm not done yet. We can also ask for a CAD drawing with basic dimensions based on the model created previously. Pretty neat, right? Yeah, but let's be honest, it's far from perfect. Sometimes the model misunderstands your requirements. For example, just like in this case, two geometries collide instead of being created one on top of the other. Also, at this moment, we can only create fairly basic models. Okay, that was a bit rude. Anyway, the drawings are also quite challenging and require a lot more work. But this is just the beginning. This project is not about creating a final product, but about igniting a spark of inspiration. I'm truly excited about the future, where new generation of engineers are educated in a world where AI and engineering systems coexist harmoniously. If this vision resonates with you and you are excited about the future of engineering powered by AI, let's connect and explore how we can collaborate, innovate, and bring this vision to life. Feel free to reach out to me at email in the description. Okay, now I'm done.